morning, guys. So, another day on the ship, and today I have IPM, which is called import manning, and that means that I cannot leave the ship today. And so, I wanted to take you guys along with me on a day that I can't leave the ship and like what I do. I'm not feeling the best today, so I am going to rest majority of the day. But what I am going to do is just take some time to like clean up my cabin, change, my bedding, do some laundry, and yeah, rest up a little bit. And then we have only one show today. And then we have like a little reprise, which is like we do basically the end of the show. We're going to do it on the pool deck. So it's my first time like doing it on the pool deck and yeah, like performing out there. But it should be fun. We are doing Can You Feel It today, which is, I don't always be excited about doing Can You Feel It because I feel like it's one of the hardest things for me. But prayerfully, I get through it. The Lord always gets me through it anyway. And yeah, that we'll have a great show and that everyone will enjoy it. But yeah, I'm just going to take you guys along the ride with me. And yeah. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, the notification bell, and let's get to it.
I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other girl, are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's other men I want, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should. I look in my eyes, not the best idea. Here's no. kill my ex. I still love you. Rather be now than alone.
Trust me, this is not revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh, it's wrong, I know.
Walking on that line, feeling you just don't say. Do it to the bottom with the blind outside when you stay. What you say? It's that way. Turn back if you go crazy. You what you yeah. If I slide by the body just to press my hands on you, yeah. Spit like that, you know that nothing must be stressful. Talk the talk, but walk it back it up. You can't let go. You just make me special. Whoa, yeah. But you won't admit that. No matter what you do or try, we gon' get back. You know that you can't deny, baby, that's that. That's how the time to put the ice where your wrist at. I put your feet up in the sky till you kick back. You know that you would be alive, you ain't missed that. Let's play yes, no, and I can be waiting 'cause I said so.
Going insane, I swear you're crazy. Someone that's close to you reached out to me just to see if we dance. Trust me, this ain't my revenge. But now I get along better with your friend. And it's wrong, I know. But again, trust me, this ain't my revenge. I get along better with your friend. Oh. And it's wrong, I know. It's wrong, I know. No. You said you felt. You said you felt something that's different from everyone else. You had the nerve to still ask for my help. Dug you out, did you?
The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction. That's facts. Always forgiven. I don't care about the that's facts. Facts. That's facts. The one I was missing, just the beginning. It don't get no better. As long as you hold me down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna pull the
Yo, I look crazy. I just took my hair out because I am on my way to the theater so I can do my hair for tonight's show. Yeah. So I just took the wig off and now I got to lay down this hair gel.
Another day's here.